Hello, everyone. My name is Lindsay Hinton, Power Control Area Manager for the Cleveland Territory. Today, I would like to talk to you about the PowerFlex 755 Network Safe Torque Off option card that is now available for the PowerFlex 755 and 755T drives. So let's start off with why safety. In today's major industries, machine safety is an important factor that goes into the design and implementation of machines in all manufacturing locations. By creating a more systematic approach to safety, we can increase our productivity, which ultimately has an impact on mean time to repair and increases scalability and efficiency. When you think of a modern-day machine, some of the biggest concerns include floor space, cost, and labor. Yet it's hard to make a machine design more compact without increasing the associated risk and hazards. Safety designs can help minimize these concerns in the field. Rockwell Automation has aligned ourselves with today's industries to make sure we are meeting global compliance standards along with system scalability and employee safety. Rockwell is continuing to expand our portfolio of safety products, and the Network Safe Torque Off card is the newest addition to the PowerFlex 750 family. For those familiar with the original Safe Torque Off card for the PowerFlex 750 class, the Network Safe Torque Off card provides the same safety functionality. It removes power from the IGBT so that they cannot generate AC power to the motors. The Network Safe Torque Off card communicates over Ethernet IP and can provide safety over this protocol, but also has the capability of being hardwired to for hardwired safety. The benefit of this is based off of your design, you can standardize on one option card and allows for future expansion. This card can be used in combination with other safety devices to satisfy the requirements of multiple IEC standards for Safe Torque Off, and more details can be found within the user manuals. On this slide, I would like to review two topologies of safety offerings. On the left, this design is being implemented using the hardwired Safe Torque Off card. Using this option card, you would be required to use a combination of safety interlocks and relays to wire directly to the drive safety option card for Safe Torque Off. If you were controlling the drives via an Ethernet network, you would still require the hardware needed to create your network, including switches, cabling, etc. In the example on the right, the safety interlocks are interfacing with our point guard I/O. Using an Ethernet network, the point guard I/O would communicate with the safety processor along with the drives through a switch. Using the Network Safe Torque Off card, the same Ethernet cable being used for control could also be used for your safety. You no longer require the additional wiring and hardware that Safe Torque Off would require. Although there are multiple network topologies that could be used, such as device level ring or star, the elimination of the additional wiring for the safety is an increased benefit. For those familiar with doing Network Safe Torque Off on some of our other devices, such as the PowerFlexer 527 or Kinetics 5500, we are committed to delivering a consistent user experience across the safety products and solution. So as you can see on this slide, the configuration of these safety devices is consistent and similar across the board. A few more facts on the Network Safe Torque Off card. The drive compatibility that works with this card includes the standard PowerFlex 755 and the 755T drives expansion. This includes the TL, the TR, and the TM. There are certain firmware compatibilities on these products as well. On the 755 standard, it would be firmware version 13, and on the 755Ts, it's firmware version 1 or higher. For those familiar with Logic, you do have to make sure you have the most up-to-date AOPs available to use these Network Safe Torque Off cards. And also for Studio 5000 users, it has to be version 30 or greater. For Network Safe Torque Off cards, you also have to have a safety PLC. So that includes the Compact Guard Logix L3S and the Control Logix L7S controllers. For any other questions or concerns on the Network Safe Torque Off card, please reach out to your distributor specialist and or reference the user manuals located on our literature library on our website. With all that being said, that wraps up my presentation for you. I hope that you found this informative and beneficial, and I appreciate you listening. Have a great day.